Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. As you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I'm sharing with you guys a Shein haul. I'm seriously so excited about this because I picked out a lot of fun festive pieces. So we have some stuff for New Year's Eve and Christmas and just the holidays and just kind of winter wear as well, which I am seriously so beyond grateful to be collabing with Shein on this video. So thank you so much. I will have everything linked down below in the description box along with their website, and I do have a promo code in case you guys want to check it out listed down below as well. And also happy Vlogmas Day 22. I am seriously so blown away how quickly Vlogmas flew by this year. Usually like every Vlogmas I miss like a day or two, and thankfully, like, fingers crossed, I haven't missed anything yet. It's already day 22, which I think is so crazy. It's been so much fun, and I feel like I just have like such a fun connection with you guys due to the daily videos, so I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, which if you guys are new, you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified when my videos go up, and they will show up in your subscription box. And also, if you want to chit chat, leave a comment. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to talk to you guys. But we're just gonna get right into this haul. I'm seriously so excited about it, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, Christmas is so close, and I'm like freaking out because I love the holidays. So we got a lot of stuff, and it's a little like crazy because I went a little overboard with sparkles and stuff, because I mean, like, the holidays, like, I love sparkles, but like the holidays, it's acceptable. And you best believe, even though I have no plans on Christmas, I'm getting dressed up. I think it's gonna be so much fun. So if you don't have any plans on Christmas, that's a-okay. It's a weird year with a pandemic and everything, but I think if you want to get dressed up, you should still get dressed up. So we're just gonna start off. I think this one's the move. Like, do you see this? Again, I went a little crazy, but I'm totally okay with it. Some of these might be fun for New Year's, and again, I don't have any plans for that either, but you know, gotta have the outfit. I thought this was so stunning when I saw it on the website. It is a one-sided like sleeve sparkly sequin silver dress. Do I need this in my life? Yes. So I thought it was just really pretty. It kind of has like a shoulder pad right there, so it might make my shoulder look a little big, but super cute. I love it. It's so sparkly, and it has this really fancy Love and Lemonade label on it, so that might be like a brand within Shein. Super cool. I got this in a size large. On their dresses, I do like to size up a little bit just because I find it has a little bit more give that way, but oh my goodness, like, I'm gonna be wearing this in a video or something. It's so sparkly and so cute. Then we got another item. Oh my gosh, you guys, I seriously love filming things. So, ooh, this is so festive. I think this is a maxi skirt. I remember picking this out and I'm like, ooh, that will be so cute. So this is like the waistline of it. It has this really flattering zipper down the side. I love this blue, and it's just like a long maxi skirt. I thought this would look cute with like a black turtleneck or something, and I do think there should be a slit up one of the sides, but I could be very wrong on that. No slit, but super cute. I love this color. So pretty for the holidays. Another like fun festive. They had a really good holiday selection on their site. When you're checking it out, you might see it. So these are like crushed velvet leggings. I thought these would be really fun. I saw an influencer on Instagram styling these the other day, and I just thought these were like really cool because they have like a blue hue to them, but they kind of look black from afar. They're just like regular leggings, yet they're crushed velvet, stretchy waistband. I just thought these would be fun. And this one is a top. Pretty sure. Oh, it's a dress. I thought this would just be fun to have. It's like a little black dress. You can never have too many of these in your closet. So it's just a simple black dress, but what's so special about it is the sleeves are sheer with little pearl beads on it, and they're kind of like a puffed up shoulder, which has been so on trend this year, and I'm finally like trying it out, and I just thought this was such a cute, fun piece to add. Ooh, I think this is a puffer. This is just a puffer jacket. It's kind of like an olive green color. I thought this would just be nice to stay warm in the winter. I don't know if it's festive, but I was just thinking it was really cute. I think you can scrunch it all up into this bag, so it's great if you're on the go. Really like it. I kind of get like a Patagonia, the North Face type vibe with this jacket as well. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is what I was so excited about for the holidays. I thought this would be a really fun Christmas type dress. So again, it has those really fun sleeves that I just shared with you guys earlier where they're like sheer, but it's just like a green star type dress. I've never worn one of these necklines before, so I don't know how I'll like it, but it is a fit and flare, so it's tighter on the top and then looser, like flares out at the bottom. But I thought the sleeves were just so dramatic and cute, so I'm excited to try this one on. Then I got this little pack of ribbons, and these are just hair bows, and I thought this was so cool. So it's just like a big bow like this, and they're already tied, and they have a scrunchie on it, which I just feel like this would look so cute, or like if you had a dress on and put like a pony in the back, like a low pony. So it came in black. Then we got this really pretty burgundy color, and then of course a little mauvey pink one, which, you guys, I am so excited. Like, I love the holidays, but my 45 days of pink challenge starts on January 1st, where I wear pink for 45 days up until Valentine's Day. I'm seriously so excited. If you guys don't know, pink is my favorite color, so you should definitely check out my Instagram. It's just at Kellyprepster. If you use my hashtag 45 days of pink wearing pink, I will share it on my story, and I save it in a little highlights reel so you can be featured on my Instagram, which is so much fun. And I think it's just a fun way to wear a lot of pink and spread positivity during January and February. Then we got another item, and I think this is like a coat as well. Ooh, this is so cute, you guys. So this is just a black puffer. It's kind of like a crop jacket, but you guys, the inside is like Shepa material. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, and it has a hood. I love this. I'm going to be wearing this like 24/7 this winter. Then we got another puffer, and I thought this would be fun if it snows on Christmas, because it's like a crushed velvet holiday green color, and I just love it. I actually have this puffer in black and pink already, and I love it because it's like the perfect fit on me. I'm only 5'4", so cropped items kind of fit like a regular or more petite look, which I love. It's super cute, and then the inside's just like nicely lined, so this is such a win and so pretty. Then I picked up this dress, and I have this in pink, I think. No, I have it in tan. Oh no, I do. This is like an overall. It's a romper. So they're actually shorts on the bottom, but it has like this overall front. So I do have this in pink, but I got it in this gray suede color, and so it just has like overall straps. I thought this would be so fun to style with like a pink turtleneck underneath, or like a really soft baby pink sweater, because I love pink and gray together. But I also had it already and knew I really liked the fit of it. Some more sequins. Do you see this? I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of sequin items in my closet already. Like, I am obsessed with sequins. This one, I remember seeing it, and I was kind of like, the style of dress is a little outside of my comfort zone, but I wanted to try it out. So it has this really cute like little half sleeves. I think you can wear it on or like off the shoulder, and then it's just like this really pretty all white sequin dress, but it does go down a lot longer. It goes down to your calf, so it's kind of more of like, I think like the royal family wears these kind of dresses. I don't know the name of it, so if you can help a girl out, let me know in the comments down below. But it's definitely longer, so I don't know if the cut will look good on me since I'm only 5'4", but I couldn't pass up a fun sequin item. And plus, I do have my sewing machine, so I can always alter it if I need to. Got another sequin dress. I think this might be a romper type deal, but ooh, it's got a bow. I think this might be a dress. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's a dress. So it is a long sleeve black silver like dress, and then you tie it in the middle, so it's kind of more cinchy and flattering. And then I got 2 pairs of shoes, which again, perfect for the holidays. These are like little slide-on loafers. Like, can we take a minute? These are so fun. So they're like sparkly silver. Let me get the other one out so you can see it. I just am like, these are like me in a shoe. They're so cute. And I just got these in a size 38, so it's European sizing, so that's like a size 7. Really squishy, and then it has this really cute little red heart on it. And then I also got another pair, and these are really fun, and I thought these would be cute for like New Year's. Not that I'm doing anything, but they're like black booties with this pink sparkly heel. Again, perfect for the 45 days of pink challenge. But I thought these would look really cute with like a pair of black pants or like a black dress if I were to wear one. I love it. So many sparkles. Can't go wrong with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Shein unboxing slash haul. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was, because I would love to chit chat about it. I do read and respond back to every single comment. And again, huge shout out to Shein for sending me all of these beautiful items. I'm so excited to style them. I'll have everything linked down below along with a discount code in case you guys are interested in shopping or checking out their site. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow, Vlogmas Day 23. Bye guys!